Look, I'm gonna hit you with some real talk. Nobody cares what you're going through. Your customers, they only care about one thing, the products they purchased and when they expect it on their doorstep. That's it. So if you're out here thinking you could take a day off and everything's gonna magically be fine, especially in the early stages of your business, then you're kidding yourself. Because guess what? You can't pay for your bills with hugs, and you sure can't buy groceries with a self-care day. Now, I wasn't even going to make this video. I've been sick for over a week. Strep throat, double ear infection, lost my voice. Now on top of all that, my body went into shock from overusing an inhaler, which, fun fact, didn't even know was a thing until now. But I didn't stop working. And it wasn't until I was on a live call with my school community, cracking jokes about my voice sounding like a dying squirrel, that I realized something. Most people would have just stopped. Then, as if the timing wasn't ironic enough, I saw someone post a video about being sick. And their big advice? Just put your Etsy shop on vacation mode. Take a day for yourself. Everything will be okay. No, it won't. Let me explain how I make millions every year and dominate my markets. I don't just watch my competitors, I study them. Not in the way most sellers do. I don't care about their best sellers or what they made last week. That's irrelevant. What I care about is how to make their customers my customers. I pay attention to where they're located, when they take a vacation, if their reviews start slipping, or if they post about delays. Because when any of these things happen, guess what? I have the opportunity to take their customers. And trust me, I'm not the only one out there doing this. The top sellers, they're watching you too. So let me explain what I'm talking about. Let's talk about why location matters. Remember that massive winter storm in Texas a few years ago? Half the state shut down for about a week. Well, one of my biggest competitors is based in Texas. I saw the news, immediately checked their store, and boom, a message about shipping delays. So I did what any smart seller would do. I launched the most aggressive ad campaign possible. I targeted their Facebook group and ran ads to every single area I normally get orders from. And the results for that week tripled my sales. That year, made an extra 20% profit. The competition, down, down, down. And I've done this over and over because it works. So don't be one of those clueless sellers who just let competitors take your customers. Work your ass off, sick or not. And if you pass out on the couch, fine. Wake up, wipe the drool off your face, and get back to work. Because I don't know about you, but I'd rather take a vacation when I actually feel good, not feel like crap. So get up and get to work. And if you want to learn more about how to dominate the market, then join my school community. Module 3 drops as soon as I stop sounding like a squeaky toy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. You know I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Hopefully I get my voice back soon too.